Yo, what's up everybody? We are back on the scooters today, headed to Bokor Mountain here in Kampot, or just outside of Kampot. It's about a 50-minute drive from the city, so let's go explore today. Let's ride. You got the direction? All right, now let's ride. Traffic jam. What's going on here? So you can see it's kind of a free-for-all on the roads here. Nobody really uses their side mirrors or looks before turning or merging. People are coming at you on the wrong side of the road. It's pretty crazy. This is actually a little bit more tame than we've seen in some other countries like in Laos and Vietnam. There's a cart full of school children. All right, so we're pulling into Bokor National Park now. And apparently this is a really nice road, one of the best paved roads in Cambodia, is what the owner of our hostel said. And all the reviews said it's like a racetrack. Let's see how fast this baby goes. Let's see some shots of Emma in action. Woo! What the f? This thing just came off on... This thing just popped off on my... on the bike. Oh yeah, he has it held together by... glue? Like zip ties. Oh, no, and one side came off. So I don't know if I should just take off the other side. Damn. I mean, I think I can just ride it how it is. I guess we'll see. Alright, now hopefully that stays put. We've only been up this road for about 2 or 3 minutes and there's already some really nice views. This is one of the first stops up here, which is a massive Buddha statue. See the sea out there, just between the islands.
Part of Vietnam.
Oh, that's Viet. Oh yeah. Oh, that's Vietnam. Phu Quoc, where they just had a big festival over there, 11-day festival, and then across the top of here is the rest of Bokor Mountain. Buddha statue. Yeah, it's very quiet up here. Hello. Hey. Must still be adding on to this monastery and temple. You can see these buildings over here. These are the homes of the monks. Their robes are drying. They live very modestly here. Well, that goes for monks all over. Probably fine, right? So the temple we just visited was named Wat Samphav Pram, and that was the main temple. So there's also a waterfall up here, and we just stopped. Apparently there's not much water flowing at the moment, but it was only 50 cents, 2,000 real, and you get a free water with it. Definitely worth the price, even if it's not that exciting this time of year. I believe this is like the top of the waterfall, but we're pretty much just walking around it. Yeah. Wow, so it came across the waterfall. That's crazy. Huge. That was Emma's joke. Well, if you've never seen a dry waterfall, that's what it looks like. It's still pretty cool. And since it was only 50 cents,
kind of crazy to
not a big loss.
How much the seasons must change for this to be filled up.
Yeah, this is the riverbed that leads to the waterfall. So we're looking for some more abandoned buildings, Bokor Palace and a bunch of other stuff, but we're now out in a remote location where it looks like they're just building some farmland. We're on an old dusty road. It's not paved anymore. Hopefully this is the right way. I don't think we're going the right way at all. The road was partially blocked off, but we thought this might be a shortcut. Guess not. So we're at the first abandoned site right now, and it's a old church.
now we're at Le Bokor Palace, which was built by the French, not sure when, but we are literally in the clouds. It looks so cool from this lookout point.
Another abandoned building here. Alright, there's some freaky ass sound coming from inside of this building.
Sounds like a rabid animal.
Sounds like some animal trapped or something. So all of these buildings were built in the 1920s or the 1960s by the French, and as I mentioned in the other video, Cambodia used to be a French colony up until its independence in 1953. So I think this will be the last of our explorations today before we head back into the city. Hopefully, yeah. I don't know if we want to go in that building since we heard that noise. Turns out it might just be a pipe making weird noises with water. Still really creepy though. Go look in the pipe.
Don't look in it.
No, go look in it. No. See what it is. Reach in there. If an animal was trapped in there, it would have been dead by now. There's some cool artwork in there. I think that's Sanook.
I think so too. Just frogs.
As usual, per usual, Emma is always correct. We're staring at it and listening to it for so long, and we got brave enough to stand on top of it, and then we saw frogs swimming around in there. So I think it's just frogs croaking.
Yeah.
That was fun. Anyways, thanks for accompanying us on our travels today.
Bokor Mountain did not disappoint, especially because it was free to enter.
And would definitely recommend the motorbikes, renting scooters. Ours was only $5 per person for scooters. Super easy ride. We barely saw anyone else on the way up or once we got to the top, and it's really fun to just cruise around. It's not as cold up here as everyone has said, but would highly recommend if you're in Kampot. Anyways, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.